Jesus, and welcome to video lesson 4 of the piece Cello Suite 1 Prelude by Johann Sebastian Bach. We'll be covering measures 25 through 32 in this video lesson. Last video we left off with this shape on the left hand with the index finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, pinky finger on the 4th string 4th fret. Measure 25. Keep the index finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, but take out the pinky finger out. We'll be placing the middle finger underneath the index on the 3rd string 2nd, and placing the ring finger underneath that on the 2nd string 2nd fret. So you have to have this shape ready to begin measure 25. First, we'll start with the 5th string open, the thumb on the right hand plucks. After that, the 4th string 2nd fret, also the thumb on the right hand, will pluck that. After that, 3rd string 2nd, index finger on the right hand plucks. Next, 2nd string 2nd fret, middle finger on the right hand plucks. By this point, you can let go of the fingers on the left hand. Now we need a 1st string open, index finger on the right hand will pluck. 1st string 2nd fret on the left hand, place your middle finger on the 1st string 2nd fret, middle finger on the right hand will pluck. We need a 1st string 3rd fret, ring finger on the left hand goes there, index finger on the right hand plucks. We're going to let go, play the 1st string open, middle finger on the right hand plucks. Now we're going to place this shape to set off the second half of the measure. Middle finger goes on the 1st string 2nd fret. On the left hand, ring finger goes on the 2nd string 3rd. Index finger goes on the 3rd string 2nd. Second half, we will start by plucking the 1st string 2nd fret with the ring finger on the right hand. But we also need the 5th string open with the thumb on the right hand. So both of those together. 2nd string 3rd fret. We're already pressing, middle finger on the right hand plucks. Then 3rd string 2nd, we're already pressing, index finger plucks. Let go of everything on the left hand by this point. We will pluck the 3rd string open, middle finger plucks that on the right hand. Left hand ring finger goes on the 4th string 4th fret. Right hand thumb plucks. Left hand let go, we will pluck the 4th string open with the thumb. Left hand index finger goes on the 4th string 2nd, thumb plucks. And then the ring finger on the left hand again on the 4th string 4th fret, thumb plucks. Measure 26. Let go of the ring finger, but keep it hovering over the 4th fret because it's going to go back there soon. Measure 26. Is going to start with the 5th string open, thumb on the right hand plucks. After that, 4th string open, thumb plucks. Then the ring finger in the left hand goes again on the 4th string 4th string 4th fret, thumb plucks. Left hand index finger goes on the 2nd string on the 3rd string 2nd fret, index finger on the right hand plucks. Left hand middle finger goes on the 2nd string 3rd fret, middle finger on the right hand plucks. We need the 1st string open now, ring finger on the right hand plucks. We can let go of everything by this point. Middle finger on the left hand goes on the 1st string 2nd fret, middle finger plucks. And then ring finger on the left hand goes on the 2nd string 3rd fret, index finger plucks on the right hand. Then we pluck the 2nd string 3rd fret, ring finger presses, index finger on the right hand plucks. Second half, let go of everything on the left hand. Index finger goes on the 1st string 4th fret. We're going to pluck the 1st string 4th fret with the ring finger on the right hand, but we also need the 2nd string open middle finger on the right hand will pluck, and we also need the fifth string open, thumb on the right hand will pluck. So we have 3 notes here to start the second half of measure 26 all together. Keep the index finger here, add the ring finger to the second string 6th fret. On the left hand, middle finger plucks. Left hand middle finger goes on the second string 5th fret, index finger plucks. Left hand ring finger goes on the second string 6th fret again, middle finger plucks. We play that note again with the index finger plucking now. Left hand middle finger goes on the second string 5th fret, middle finger plucks. Now let go of the middle finger, index finger will go up to the second string 4th fret, index finger on the right hand plucks. And the measure is going to end with the middle finger on the left hand on the second string 5th fret, with the middle finger plucking that. Measure 27, we're going to play again that second string 5th fret that we have previously played on as the last note of measure 26. We're playing that same note one more time. Second string 5th fret, middle finger on the left hand, index finger plucks on the right hand. Next we need the second string 3rd fret, but we're going to use that same middle finger to press on. So use that finger to go backwards and press on the second string 3rd fret now. Middle finger on the right hand will pluck that. Left hand index finger goes on the second string 2nd fret, index finger plucks. Middle finger on the left hand goes to the second string 3rd fret, middle finger on the right hand plucks. We'll play that note again, now with the index finger on the right hand. Let go on the left hand, we need the second string open with the middle finger plucking on the right. Left hand index finger will go on the 3rd string 1st fret. We will pluck that with the index finger on the right hand. Keep holding that note. Add the pinky finger on the left hand to the 4th string 4th fret. The thumb will plug that on the right hand. Let go of the pinky in the left hand. Middle finger now will go to the 4th string 2nd fret. The thumb on the right hand will pluck. So that note was already the beginning of the second half of this measure. Next, we'll play again that 3rd string 1st fret. You should have kept that finger here this whole time. Index finger on the right hand plucks. Then second string open, middle finger on the right hand plucks. By this point, let go of everything on the left hand. Place the ring finger on the left hand on the 1st string 3rd fret now. Index finger on the right hand will pluck. Let go of the ring finger, we need the 1st string open. Middle finger on the right hand plucks. Left hand, now the ring finger will go on the 1st string 4th fret. Index finger on the right hand will pluck. Pinky finger on the left hand goes to the 1st string 5th fret. Middle finger plucks on the right hand. And then the ring finger replaces the pinky finger on the 1st string 4th fret. Index finger on the right hand will plug that to finish off the measure. Measure 28. Left hand pinky finger goes on the 1st string 5th fret. We're going to plug that note with the middle finger on the right hand, together with the 5th string open with the thumb on the right hand. So both together to start. After that, you're going to let go on the left hand. You're going to plug the 1st string open. Ring finger on the right hand plucks. Index finger goes on the 2nd string 2nd fret. Middle finger on the right hand plucks. Let go of the index finger on the left. We're going to pluck the 2nd string open. Index finger on the right hand plucks. After this, you're going to create this shape. Index finger is going to go on the 4th string 2nd fret. Middle finger under on the 3rd string 2nd. And ring finger under on the 2nd string 2nd fret. We're going to pluck the 2nd string 2nd fret first, middle finger on the right hand plucks. After that, the 1st string open with the ring finger. We're going to pluck the 3rd string 2nd fret, index finger on the right hand plucks. Plug the second string second fret with the middle finger on the right. Plug the fourth string second with the thumb on the right hand. Plug the third string second fret with the index finger on the right hand. After this, you can let go of the shape on the left hand, and we just need the index finger on the third string first fret. We're going to plug that note with the middle finger on the right hand. Keep that finger here for a bit more. Next, reach with the pinky finger in the left hand to the fourth string, fourth fret, thumb on the right hand plucks. Next, left hand middle finger goes on the fourth string second fret. We plug that with the thumb. Next, the fourth string open. By this point, you can let go of everything on the left hand. We're going to use the thumb on the right hand to plug the fourth string. Ring finger on the left hand goes to the fifth string fourth fret. We plug with the thumb on the right hand. And last note, index finger goes on the fifth string second fret. We plug with the thumb as well. Measure 29. We start with the fifth string open. Thumb on the right hand will plug that. Ring finger on the left hand goes to the first string third fret. Plug that with the ring finger on the right hand. Left hand middle finger goes on the first string second fret, middle finger plucks. We play the first string open, index finger on the right hand plucks. Next, ring finger on the left hand presses on the second string third fret, middle finger plucks. Left hand middle finger goes on the second string second fret, index finger on the right hand plucks. Then we let go so that we can play the second string open with the middle finger on the right hand. Second half of the measure, index finger on the left hand goes to the third string second fret. You're going to keep this finger here until the end of the measure. We're going to plug the third string second fret with the index finger on the right hand together with the fifth string open with the thumb on the right hand. So both together for the second half of measure 29. Keep the index finger there as I said. Ring finger will go to the first string third fret. Pluck it with the ring finger on the right hand. Now replace on the left hand that ring finger with the middle finger on the first string second fret. Middle finger on the right hand plucks. Let go of that middle finger only on the left so that we can play the first string open. Index finger on the right hand plucks. Left hand ring finger now goes on the second string third fret. Middle finger on the right hand plucks. Replace the ring finger, add the middle finger on the second string second fret. Index finger plucks. Remove the middle finger only. Pluck the second string open with the middle finger on the right hand. And then finally pluck the third string second fret, which you kept there the whole time. Pluck it with the index finger on the right hand. Measure 30. We start off with the third and the fifth strings open. On the right hand, the index will pluck the third string and the thumb will pluck the fifth string. So both together to start off measure 30. Left hand middle finger goes on the first string second fret. Middle finger on the right hand plucks. Let go of that middle finger on the left hand. Plug the first string open with the index on the right hand. Next, ring finger goes on the second string third fret, middle finger on the right hand plucks. Replace the ring finger with the middle finger on the second string second fret, index finger on the right hand plucks. Let go of that middle finger. Second string open with the middle finger on the right hand. Middle finger on the left hand goes to the third string second fret now. Index finger on the right hand plucks. We let go of that so we can play the the third string open with the middle finger on the right hand. Second half of the measure, ring finger goes on the fourth string fourth fret. We will play that note together with the fifth string open to start off the second half. On the right hand, index finger will pluck the fourth string fourth fret. the thumb will plug the 5th string open. So we need both together. Keep that ring finger here as we continue on. Then we need the 1st string open. We use the ring finger on the right hand to pluck. Left hand middle finger goes on the 2nd string 3rd fret. Middle finger on the right hand plucks. We place that middle finger on the left with the index on the 2nd string 2nd fret. Index finger on the right hand plucks. Then remove the index finger on the left so that we can pluck the 2nd string open. Middle finger plucks. Index finger on the left hand goes to the 3rd string 2nd fret. On the right hand, the index finger will pluck. Let go of the index finger because now we need the 3rd string open. Middle finger on the right hand plucks. And the last note, we will play again that 4th string 4th fret that we kept there the whole time. Index finger on the right hand will pluck that 4th string 4th fret. Measure 30. Let go of the ring finger on the left. Add the index finger to the 4th string 2nd fret. We start the measure with the 4th string 2nd fret together with the 5th string open. On the right hand, index finger plucks the 4th string 2nd fret. The thumb plucks the 5th string open. So both together to start off the measure. Keep the index finger here for now. On the left hand, add the ring finger to the 2nd string 3rd fret. Ring finger on the right hand plucks. Replace that ring finger with the middle finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret. Middle finger plucks on the right hand. Now we need the 2nd string open. When you play the 2nd string open, let go of the left hand. The 2nd string open will be plugged with the index finger on the right hand. Now you will place this shape on the left hand. Index finger goes to the 3rd string 2nd. Middle finger goes to the 2nd string 2nd. Next note, we pluck the 2nd string 2nd fret. We pluck it with the thumb on the right hand. Then we pluck the 1st string open with the middle finger on the right hand. Next, we pluck the 3rd string 2nd fret. We're already pressing. The thumb on the right hand plucks. We pluck the 1st string open. After that, middle finger on the right hand. Let go of the middle finger only. Keep the index finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret. But we need now the ring finger on the left hand on the 3rd string 4th fret. So we're going to pluck that note first with the thumb on the right hand. After that, we plug the 1st string open with the middle finger on the right. We let go of the ring. Middle finger on the left hand goes back again on the 2nd string 2nd fret. We pluck it with the thumb on the right hand. Then we plug the 1st string open with the middle finger on the right. Now let go of the index finger only. The middle finger will move up 1 fret, so it'll be now on the 2nd string 3rd fret. If you want, you can also already put the ring finger on the 3rd string 4th fret because this is the next shape we will need. But you could also put it a little bit later after as well. So 2nd string 3rd fret first, thumb on the right hand will pluck. After that, 1st string open with the middle finger on the right. Then the ring finger on the left hand will press on the 3rd string 4th fret. Thumb on the right hand plucks. And final note, 1st string open with the middle finger on the right hand. Measure 32. Let go of the ring finger, the middle finger, scoot it back to the 2nd string 2nd fret. Add the index finger over it on the 3rd string 2nd fret. We will start measure 32 with the 2nd string 2nd fret. The thumb on the right hand will pluck. After that, 1st string open with the middle finger. 3rd string 2nd fret, we're already pressing on that. Pluck with the thumb on the right. Then the 1st string open, middle finger. Let go of the index only. Middle finger will scoot again to the 1 fret higher to the 2nd string 3rd fret. Add, as before, you can also choose to add the ring finger already on the 3rd string 4th fret, or you can add it a little at a time. 2nd string 3rd fret first, we plug with the thumb. Then the 1st string open with the middle finger on the right hand. Then add the ring finger, if you haven't added it already, to the 3rd string 4th fret, we plug with the thumb. Then the 1st string open with the middle finger. The second half of the measure is exactly the same, so we'll repeat the steps. Let go of the ring finger only, middle finger will scoot backwards to the 2nd string 2nd fret, add the index finger above to the 3rd string 2nd fret, and we'll do the same thing we did at the beginning of this measure. 2nd string 2nd fret, plug with the thumb. 1st string open, plug with the middle. 3rd string 2nd, plug with the thumb. 1st string open, plug with the middle. Let go of the index finger, middle finger scoots to the 2nd string 3rd fret, plug with the thumb. Plug 1st string open with the middle. And then finally ring finger on the 3rd string 4th fret, plug that with the thumb. And then final note, plug the 1st string open with the middle on the right hand. That's it for this video lesson. Thank you.